Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya akan melanjutkan presentasi saya yang membahas mengenai komputer programmer and programming language. Ini objective overview-nya seperti ini, bisa dilihat. Computer program and programming language. Computer program is a series of instructions that direct a computer to perform tasks. Low-level language, mechanical language, is the first generation of programming language. Only language the computer direct requires. Ini assembly language sama short program. Procedural language. Procedural language, the programmer with instruction that the computer what to accomplish and how to do it. Ini contohnya. The C programming language is used the word many to the programmer. Common business oriental language is general, designed for business application, but is derived because of the English-like statement. Ini object of orient programming language and program development tools (OOP). Always programmer the ability to raise and modify existing object other advanced equipped. Object can be research, programmer create application faster, work well in the right environment. Most program development tools are it. Java in object-oriented programming language development by Sun Microsystems. JIT compiler convert the bytecode into dependent code. Ini the net program from always almost and type of program to run on the internet or inter-business network. Ini C++, ada CV. Visual Studio is Microsoft suite of program development tools. Visual Basic, Visual C++, Visual C. Ini contohnya. Visual programming language is language that uses a visual or graphical interface for creating a shell code. Ada DLP. Ini contoh-contoh programnya. Power Builder is powerful program development tool. Ini 4GL. Fourth General Language is a non-protocol language that enable user and programmer to access data in database. Ini Class Programming Language equipped, ada Algol, APL, Basic, Fortran, Happycard, Lisp, Logo, Model 2, Pascal, Pilot, PL1, Prolog, RPG, Smalltalk. Ini application generator is program that create source code and machine code from expression of the required functional. A Marco is series of statements that include an application how to complete text. Ini contoh-contohnya. HTML is a special formatting language that programmers use to format documents for display on the web. HTML markup language that allows website to be displayed more easy on mobile device. The XM always web development to create customized TGS and user in text display context. Ini contoh-contohnya. Script applied server activity controller. Ini contohnya. JavaScript, PHP, React, TCL, VBScript. Ini contohnya. Di HTML sama ROR, Ruby on Rails. Share personal information, always user. Ya, ini contoh dari Webpack deployment. Dreamweaver, exploring web, flash, SharePoint designer. Ya, ini multimedia program development, ada toolbox sama director. Ya, ini contohnya. Ya, program development consists of series of steps on program user to build computer program. Ya, ini selanjutnya desain solusi algoritmanya. Ya, ini contoh-contohnya. Object orient, design the programmer package the data and the program into a single object. Ya, ini selanjutnya. Ya, ini masih contoh-contohnya. Ini flowchart software makers is, kalau itu pakai kayak software use activity diagram, kayak ya software semacam itulah. UML, United Modeling Language, has been adopted a standard notation object modeling and development. Ya, ini logic error sama test data. Implementasinya ini. Ya, ini debugging sama betanya. Document solution sama ada review the program code sama review all the document. Ya, ini contoh dari video electronic art going mobile. Ya, ini summary-nya, Polish programming, a variety of web step in the programming. Ya, itu tadi presentasi dari saya yang membahas mengenai komputer program and programming language. Saya tutup dengan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.